This 2016 Audi S7 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2016 Audi S74 0L V8 engine, 450 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque, 7-speed S-tronic transmission, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, rear view camera, front parking assist, heated front seats, memory front seats, heated rear seats, steering column mounted gear shift pedals, power rear trunk opener, keyless entry, keyless start, heated exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, power folding mirrors, Daytona gray pearl effect, exterior black leather interior. Vehicle comes with floor mats. Owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 Audi S7 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.